Good morning everyone. My name is Fon. I'm a local guide in Satun province. Today I'm gonna show you one of the beautiful viewpoint in Satun province. New destination for check-in. They have a lot of mist. It is very beautiful. And now I'm walking up to the hills, and on the way we will passing the rubber trees like this. This is the rubber tree plantation. In early morning of every day, local people come to tapping the rubber sap. Except the day have the heavy rain, they can't do that. This is one of the main income of local people in the southern parts of Thailand. This is the way to walking up to the viewpoint. It is quite easy to walk, not too difficult. They have the little step. It's good to exercise in the morning. Let's go! We have the swing for take a break if we are tired. So right now I'm at viewpoint already. This is Khon Mo Hills in Ban Mai village, Satun province. Look at this view, it's quite beautiful. Background is the right field, palm oil plantation and rubber plantation. It is amazing view.